Today, every electronic device uses microchips, the miniature electronic brains behind the magic. With ongoing digitalization, they have become indispensable in our modern world. The basis for all modern microchips are silicon wafers. Depending on the microchip size, up to several hundred microchips can be produced on such a wafer. Within a single microchip, billions of transistors of nano size are built in. To ensure full functionality of the microchips, the silicon wafers must be flawless when adding transistors. This is where H2O2 comes into play. Since impurities such as dust, organic residues, or metal traces pose a threat to the functionality of the transistors, the silicon wafers must be cleaned using ultra-pure H2O2 in combination with other chemicals. As the digital age accelerates, the world's demand for microchips is increasing, whilst single microchips are shrinking in size. The smaller the microchip gets, the smaller and more complex the transistors have to be, and the more sensitive impurities become. This raises the necessary number of cleaning steps. At the same time, cleaning methods are changing from batch cleaning to single wafer cleaning to avoid cross-contamination and ensure an even better result. All of this means that the demand for ultra-high pure H2O2 is rising significantly for the production of single microchips. Evonik is supporting this volume growth with its brand, PERTRONIC.
Evonik, leading beyond chemistry.